Today in math, we're going to talk about our flat shapes. We're only learning 5 this quarter. There's other shapes like ovals and rhombuses and trapezoids, but we're only focusing on triangle, circle, square, rectangle, and hexagon. So let's go over our DLO, and today we're going to focus on squares. All right, our DLO. Today I will find and describe a flat square. Now it's your turn. Today I will find and describe a flat square. So let's review all the shapes and then we'll focus on our squares. All right. Do you know the name of this shape? Circle. It has no straight sides and no vertices. A side are straight and the vertices are the corners. So we've got a circle. Our next shape is you know what that is? Triangle. Tri means 3. So if you've ever seen a tricycle has 3 tires. Or a triceratops is a dinosaur with 3 horns. A triangle has 3 sides, 3 vertices. The vertices are the corners. Now we have a hexagon. Hex means 6. So hex means it has 6 sides. So it has 6 sides and 6 vertices. And I remember that hex means 6 because the word 6 has an X in it also. Here's a rectangle. A rectangle has some similar features to a square, but here's the difference. While a rectangle has 4 sides and 4 vertices, a rectangle has 2 short sides, 2 long sides. And now for the shape that we're going to focus on today. This is a square. A square is different than a rectangle because a square has 4 equal sides. Equal means the same. We've learned that in the past for when we write equations, but equal means the same wherever you go. So a square has 4 equal sides. All the sides are the same length. So it has 4 sides and 4 vertices. The vertices are the corners. So what I want you to try and do is look around your room or your kitchen or wherever you are and try to find something that has the shape of a square. If I look around my classroom, I have a notepad that is a square. What else can you find in your room that is a square? Another item in my classroom that's a square are my vents, where the air comes in. Do you see that? That's a square. What else in your room has a square? Do you see a box with a square face? What else? So I want you to look around your house and look for some things that are squares. Maybe a window, maybe a picture frame, maybe a present. Look for something that has 4 equal sides. Then I want you to get your shape packet, and we're going to be learning the 5 shapes: circle, triangle, hexagon, rectangle, and square. On your square page, you can leave it stapled together because we're going to use them all those pages. You're going to tell me all about the square. First, you're going to trace it, and then it says trace and count each side in a color. So you could use a marker or a crayon, and you're going to count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4 with your crayon. And then you'll write how many sides it has. 4. Over here you'll draw your own square. So try as best as you can to make your square have 4 equal sides. It can be little or it can be big. And then you're going to, then over here you're going to count and circle the corners or the vertices. So then after you circle them, then you'll write 4 vertices. And down here, you're going to look at all the pictures and you're only going to color the squares. Don't color the triangles, don't color the circles, don't color the rectangles. You're only going to color the squares. So now it's your turn to find squares in your home and complete your square worksheet.